used to repair damaged threads, fix oversized or misplaced holes, or for use in original equipment. Keysert thread repair inserts from Alcoa Fastening Systems offer a solid choice. Keyserts are solid one-piece key locking inserts, which provide a positive mechanical lock. This lock prevents rotation due to vibration or torsion. Easy to install and available in a variety of styles and materials, Keyserts can be installed with standard drills and taps. Can be used in a wide range of materials, including aluminum, magnesium, and cold-rolled steel. And they're easy to remove. Keyserts come in 4 distinct types: thin wall, heavy duty, extra heavy duty, and solid. Each is offered in a variety of sizes. Keyserts are manufactured in your choice of carbon and stainless steel. Installation is easy. If you're repairing a damaged thread, first drill out the old threads with a standard drill. Chamfer the hole with a standard countersink. Next, tap the new thread with a standard tap. Now begin twisting the Keysert thread repair insert by hand. At this point, use the installation tool to continue threading it down until it sits slightly below the surface. Now reposition the tool so that the grooves are not aligned with the keys. Finally, drive the keys down with several hammer taps. The installation is now complete. Keyserts and Keysert installation tooling are available in bulk or in convenient kits which contain a range of sizes. Keyserts from Alcoa Fastening Systems. Easy to use, easy to remove. They're the solid alternative for thread repair.